Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a short video to YouTube using your phone. Follow these simple steps to get your video online. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download and install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in to your YouTube account. On the home page, you'll see a few icons at the bottom: Home, Shorts, Upload, Subscriptions, and Profile. Tap on the plus icon in the center. Now you have two options. You can either upload a video from your gallery or create a YouTube short. To upload a short from your gallery, make sure you're in the short section. Select the video you want to upload. Now you can trim your video. Once selected, tap Done. Here, you can add sound, effects, and many more which you want. Now, tap on tick mark button. Then tap Next button. Now, you can add details like the video title, visibility, add location, select audience, and description. Once done, tap Upload Video. Your short is now uploaded to YouTube. To view your short, go to your profile from the bottom options and under your playlist, tap on your video to see your uploaded short. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.